All right, hello. This video is going to go over the non-start coding bat question here. We have to take in two words, hello there, and then lob off the first letter. So we want just all the other letters besides the first one, combine them into a new string, and then return it. All right, so the first thing on this is a method, and we're still kind of learning this, so I know students are a little unfamiliar. Like oftentimes what they want to do is like string 1 equals hello, and then do string 2 equals there, right? But we don't have to do this step because they come into the method. So this part here at the top called non-start method, it takes in a string A and B, and A and B will take on whatever values are passed in by these little method calls. So this example, A would be hello, B would be there. On this second one, A string would be Java, and then the B string would be code. All right, so we don't have to do this step. We just have to use the string A and string B. What I am going to do is make a new string called like the answer or the result. All right, because that's going to be made up of the LO part from hello. So I just have to figure out how do I actually get that. And so I'm going to call my first string A dot substring. All right, and then I got to figure out there's the 2 parameter call, but I should be able to use the first, the 1 parameter one, which will just take from position 1 till the end. So remember, they start indexing at 0, so H is at 0, E is at 1, L is at 2, etc., etc. Okay, so if I just take from position 1, that'll take from that position all the way to the end, which would be LO or AVA or HODL here, right? So you just take from that position to the end. All right, so my answer will now have the first from the first word, but then I still need to get from the second word. So I'm going to take answer and I'm going to add to it. So I'm going to do a plus equals. I'm going to do the same thing for B. Or I just take from position 1 on in string B. So that'll take and add to what we had from the first string, and then I'll take the, all the letters except the first one from the second string. Right, so this answer now will have both of those substrings combined together with that plus equals, right? If you wanted to see the full version, I'm just saying answer equals whatever it was before plus the substring from B. All right, and then again, we're used to like system out printing at this point, but with a method, you just return it. So I'm just going to type return my answer string, right? And that'll be it. Right, so now I'm going to return it and I'm going to hit go and they'll run some test cases. So they're going to call our little method with these test cases and we can see that it passes all of the test cases. Okay, that's it. Hopefully it makes sense. Please let me know if you have questions.